Well, you're welcome to try. I'll video it. Wow. You gonna post this on your YouTube?
No, I'll give it to you though.
Go on in there.
Throw the light in here, Janice. Throw your big light in here.
Wow, that does smell good.
It's different, isn't it? We're still at 13.9. We're 9.5 back there. 5.4.
Hey, how's it look?
Look how wide it is. 10. 7. They're so big, they're hard to get around, aren't they?
Oh yeah, I mean, it was barely, I could barely get it.
We've got another stack of this, Aaron. It wouldn't even go in here. Just off one log. 9. We're good.
Think we need to run it tonight or just run it, then stop it tomorrow?
What's 9?
Yeah, that's fine.
9%.
In Kentucky, you want to be around. I'm at 6 right here.
Really?
In Kentucky, 12 is really good. 12 and below is good. So,
How
Randy,
much, shout out, how much water we got on top? Not a lot.
you know what? Look how, man, it looks good, dog.
Look how flat that
I
drive.
know.
That's crazy. Look how white that is.
I know, it's really wide, isn't it?
Cause it was, I
Can you
mean,
see
it
that
was,
white?
Yeah.
it was crazy dark.
I know. Can you see it if I lift it? Look at that, how clear it is. Look at that back there. Yeah, it was so dark when we cut it. Look at the bark on the side, dog.
Coming off?
Yeah, look at that.
You should peel it off, yeah. You're trying to have
Looks like onions.
Why is that? What is that?
You looking at that white stuff?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is that mildew?
You think it is? Taste it.
What is it?
Salt of the earth, Doc.
Look how that's peeled off. That bark's peeled off.
That's what I was talking about. Look over here.
Yeah.
Did you see it all down through there just
Yeah.
coming off?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I say run it and stop it and pull it.
Pull it tomorrow.
And go ahead and fill up on walnut. I want to put that 46